Firefighters face danger every day. But new technology is changing how they respond, protect themselves, and save lives. When a building catches fire, every second matters. Flames, heat, and thick smoke can quickly turn a routine emergency into a deadly situation. Entering a burning structure is one of the most dangerous tasks in emergency response. Firefighters must make critical decisions under extreme conditions. Thermal cameras give firefighters a powerful advantage. They can reveal intense heat and hidden fire even when smoke blocks normal vision. With thermal imaging, dangerous hotspots become visible. This technology helps crews locate fire, understand conditions, and navigate environments they cannot see clearly. The firefighter's helmet is becoming more advanced. Sensors, communications, and thermal technology can provide vital information while keeping the firefighter protected. Modern communication systems allow firefighters to stay connected during an emergency, helping teams coordinate their movements and respond to rapidly changing conditions. Drones can fly above dangerous fires and provide an aerial perspective. They can help commanders understand the situation before sending crews into hazardous areas. Thermal sensors can identify hidden hotspots across large structures. This information helps firefighters focus their efforts while reducing unnecessary exposure to danger. When conditions become too dangerous for humans, firefighting robots can move forward. Powerful tracked machines can carry cameras, sensors, and water systems into extreme environments. Some robots can direct powerful streams of water from a safer distance. Firefighters can control these machines while remaining away from the most intense heat. Small rescue robots can enter collapsed or smoke-filled structures. Their cameras and sensors can search areas that may be too dangerous for human rescuers. When a robot detects a possible survivor, firefighters can receive the location and begin a focused rescue operation, potentially saving precious time. Future protective suits may monitor temperature, toxic gases, movement, and the firefighter's physical condition, providing another layer of protection. Inside the command center, emergency teams can monitor the locations and condition of firefighters in the field, helping commanders make faster decisions. Artificial intelligence can analyze enormous amounts of information, including heat, smoke, building structure, and weather, to help predict how a fire may develop. By modeling fire and smoke movement, advanced systems can estimate which areas may become dangerous next. This can support evacuation and tactical decisions. The future of fire safety may begin before firefighters arrive. Smart buildings can continuously monitor temperature, smoke, and other warning signs. Detecting a fire during its earliest moments can make an enormous difference. Automated systems can immediately alert occupants and emergency services. Some modern buildings can automatically activate targeted suppression systems. Early intervention may stop a small fire before it becomes a major disaster. Fire engines are evolving too. Future vehicles may carry smarter equipment, better communication systems, and technologies designed to reach emergencies more efficiently. Electric firefighting vehicles could become part of cleaner cities. Their advanced power systems may support emergency equipment while reducing local emissions. Modern water mist systems can absorb enormous amounts of heat using fine droplets. This can help firefighters control intense fires more efficiently. For massive wildfires, specialized aircraft can deliver large quantities of water or fire retardant. From above, they can support crews fighting fires across huge landscapes. Satellites can monitor Earth for signs of developing wildfires. Early detection from space can help authorities identify dangerous fires before they grow dramatically. Drone fleets can then provide detailed information from closer to the ground, mapping hotspots and helping firefighters understand where the fire is moving. Future-powered exoskeletons could help firefighters carry heavy equipment and operate in demanding environments, potentially reducing physical strain during difficult operations. Protective clothing is also evolving. New materials may offer improved resistance to heat, while remaining flexible enough for firefighters to move quickly. Augmented reality helmets could provide critical information directly within a firefighter's field of view, including exits, hazards, building layouts, and teammate locations. Sensors can create three-dimensional maps of unfamiliar buildings in real time. This could help firefighters understand where they are and identify safer routes through smoke. Even the fire station is becoming smarter. Automated systems can receive emergency alerts, prepare equipment, and help crews leave the station faster. Connected traffic systems could automatically prioritize emergency vehicles. Smart signals may create clearer routes, helping firefighters reach an incident sooner. Firefighters, paramedics, police, and dispatchers can share information through connected emergency networks, creating a coordinated response when every second matters. Training is also becoming more advanced. Virtual simulations allow firefighters to practice dangerous scenarios repeatedly without facing the risks of a real fire. With virtual reality, firefighters can experience realistic building layouts, smoke conditions, and rescue situations, improving preparation before entering a real emergency. Technology can even help maintain firefighting equipment. Smart diagnostic systems can inspect pumps, hoses, protective gear, and vehicles before they are needed. In smart homes, connected sensors can detect smoke and heat early. Automated alarms and suppression systems can respond while occupants move towards safety. Modern skyscrapers can combine smart sprinklers, smoke control systems, alarms, and evacuation technology to limit fire spread and protect thousands of occupants. Tomorrow's command centers may connect drones, robots, sensors, vehicles, and firefighters into one intelligent emergency network, giving commanders a complete view of the crisis. Technology will not replace firefighters. Instead, robots and drones can enter the most dangerous areas while trained professionals make the critical decisions. The ultimate purpose of every innovation is simple: saving lives. When humans and technology work together, rescue operations can become faster, safer, and more effective. The future firefighter may have robots for strength, drones for vision, AI for prediction, and smart equipment for protection. Technology cannot eliminate fire, but it can help humanity fight it better.